Got a leak in your irrigation tubing? Don't worry. Fixing it is quick, cheap, and easy. Let's get started. I'm Rodrigo, welcome back to our channel. And today, we're gonna learn how to fix your tubing if you were to spring a leak. It's good practice to regularly check your mainline tubing for leaks after turning your water on. If you find one, be sure to mark the exact spot for repair. Next, turn off your water supply. You don't want to fix a live leak. You have two easy options to fix a leak in your tubing. One is to use a goof plug for small holes and leaks in your mainline. Two is use a coupler if the hole is larger or if you want a more permanent and secure fix. To fix a hole with a goof plug, simply push the goof plug firmly into said hole. And that's it. Great for small leaks or emitter removals. For bigger holes, cut into the damaged part of the tubing with scissors or a poly tubing cutter. Then use the Easy-Loc Coupler to rejoin the mainline. Make sure the fitting is securely fastened to prevent leaks. Now turn the water back on and check for leaks. Quick, easy, and no more leaks. Like and subscribe for more DIY drip irrigation tips. Goodbye.